Hi, my name is Kyle Mann with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck. Today we're going to do a quick walk around stock number 31548. Again, that's stock number 31548. So here before me today we got the 2020 HINO 155 double cab with an open body landscape on the back. This truck is going to be your 5-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic Aisin transmission, which is a proven award-winning combination in the landscape industry. And as an ultimate Hino dealer, we specialize in the landscape trucks. Now, some of you may not be very familiar with the Hino brand, but it's actually the commercial vehicle for Toyota. So that same durability and reliability that you get with all Toyota products translates into the Hino commercial brand as well. One of the first things you'll notice about this truck is that it has a cab over engine design, which literally means that the cab sits over the engine. This is extremely beneficial for the maneuverability in those tight workspaces in the residential areas as well as commercial areas. Now, this truck is going to be really great for your visibility. Without that front hood, you're going to get 8 foot from driver to ground and a nice panoramic view out of the front big windshield. On the side, you have some added-on visibility with your side view mirrors. You have your upper main mirror, which is going to give you great sight line down the side of your vehicle, as well as your lower interval convex mirror, which is great for your curbside parking and spotting oncoming traffic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the cab. We'll have the cameraman get a really good look. Now, as I said before, this is going to be a double cab, so it has the capability to fit a 7-man crew in this cab, which being 4 in the back and 3 in the front. Another great feature about this vehicle is that it does have AC and heating in the back of the cab. And if the cameraman takes a look underneath the seat, you'll actually see the heater for this heating system back here. So this makes it extremely comfortable at all times year round for your crew to fit comfortably and safely inside the cab. This cab's been made extremely accessible with the grab handle here, so you can see I can get in and out of this cab extremely easy. Now I want to take a few seconds to go over a couple of the features inside of the cab. First things first is you'll notice I'm sitting on a fully adjustable captain's chair, as well as with a tilt telescopic steering wheel, which allows any driver of any size to fit comfortably and safely inside of this cab. Over here you have your power windows, power locks, and in the middle of the dash you're going to have your AM, CD, FM, Bluetooth radio, as well as your remote and heated mirrors, which is really great so your crew's not having to get in and out of the cab to constantly change the sight lines for your vehicle. Another thing is the fold down middle seat, which is a great workspace for you to have if you ever need so, as well as the above head storage, which you can store any of your notes, your logs, your phones, your laptops, or your tablets. And as I said before, this is a 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's literally a turn key and go operation. Put the key in, put it in drive, and go down the road. Now if we have the cameraman take a look out of the front, you'll really get a good understanding of that visibility that I was talking about before. Alright, let's take a look at the back end of this truck. Before I get to the back, I did want to mention a couple of the standard factory warranties that come with the vehicle. This vehicle comes with a standard 5-year, 200,000 mile engine warranty, as well as Hino Watch, so that's giving you 24/7, 365-day a year roadside assistance, as well as my personal favorite, the Hino Insight. And as a business owner, this is extremely beneficial to your operation, which gives you remote diagnostics, case management, and telematics. All those things combined gives you a fully connected vehicle for you and your crew. On the back, we've got a Wil-Ro body with a 14-foot flat surface, as well as a 5-foot dovetail. When Wil-Ro made this body, they thought of literally everything for you and your crew, incorporating a water cooler jug placement holder for your crews in those hot summer months, as well as a stirrup on the side here, which allows you to get up on top of the bed really easily. Now for the purpose of this video, we have one side folded down, but both side rails can be folded down, allowing you to easily unload and load by pallet jack or forklift, or even just hand load off the bed. And underneath here, we've got a nice toolbox for your crew's storage of tools, and it keeps it out of the elements, and it's completely locked up here, so you're not worried about anything. Right here, you'll notice we got a trimmer rack for you. You can put 3 weed eaters on here, which is really great. keeps space open for you. Now this is your split dovetail ramp with expanded metal. So as you're getting up in and out of the bed of this truck, you're going to be able to watch the dirt, mud, soot, or anything like that fall through, so you're not actually tracking it up into the bed of the truck. Here we've also got expanded metal welded on to the bed of the truck, which makes a great traction pad for any of your zero-turn mowers, as well as your crew to get in and out of the bed of this truck. On the floor, we've got 4 D-rings to safely secure any of your mowers or other equipment that you're going to be putting on here. Up top, we've got our fully enclosed blower rack. And over on the side, we've got a shovel rack and your rakes. The bed of this truck is our most popular configuration in the landscaping industry. A lot of customers are changing over to something like this compared to the traditional conventional tractor or truck and trailer combination. So I think we've done a really great job of giving you an overview of this vehicle today. If you'd like to make an inquiry on this truck, please do so at our website at iptruck.com. Give us a like, a follow on our LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook page so you can stay constantly updated with our changing inventory. I hope to see you soon, and have a great day.